Good morning, students. Today we want to discuss a very important sum. Suppose Q charge is placed at the center of a cube and we have to calculate the flux through each face of the cube. So everybody knows that flux through all 6 faces of the cube is Q by epsilon 0. We got it from Gauss's law. Now we have to calculate the flux through each face of the cube. So if we want to calculate each face, how many faces cube have? 6 faces. So it should be Q by 6 epsilon 0. Now I want to discuss another problem. Suppose I have a cube and charge Q is placed at one of the vertices of the cube. I have to calculate flux through each faces of this cube. So now first of all, flux to all 6 places in that case should be total flux total flux coming inside the cube is equals to Q by 8 epsilon 0. Now my question is that why it is not Q by epsilon 0, it is Q by epsilon 0. Everybody see this. If the charge is placed at vertices or corner, then what happen? It will be shared by all 8 cubes. How it will be shared by 8 cubes? You can consider another cube beside this cube. You can consider another cube in front of this cube, and beside the front cube there is at the right side another cube may be there. So charge is shared between 4 cubes, which is at the right side 1 cube, at the right side of this cube 1 cube, in front of this cube 1 cube, and in front of right side cube 1 cube. So it will be shared by 4 cubes, and similarly we can draw 4 cubes above this 4 cube. So total 8 cubes are sharing the charge Q because it is placed at the corner. So how much? So as 8 cubes are sharing the charge Q, so each cube how much flux is entering through each cube? It should be Q by 8 epsilon 0. So Q by 8 epsilon 0 amount of flux is entering to each cube if the charge is placed at the corner or one of the vertices of the cube. Now we have to calculate flux to each face. Everybody able to see 3 faces are attached to this charge. 3 faces are, suppose this face is attached to this charge. Another face is there which is attached to this charge is this face. And another face is there which is attached to this charge is suppose this face. So 3 faces which is attached to this charge. What happened in that case? The 3 faces which is attached to this charge, you will be able to get that E vector is parallel to the in that cases that the E vector is parallel to the faces of the cube. As E vector is parallel to the faces of the cube, which faces? With the faces which is attached to the vertices. Okay, so these faces what happen? Parallel. So no field lines will entering into the 3 sides. So how many sides left? 3 sides left. So sides not. There are 3 faces, which is 3 faces which is attached to Q. No flux enters into these 3 faces, and rest 3 faces what happen? The flux are entering to rest 3 faces. So flux through each face what should be? It should be so Q by 8 epsilon 0 amount of flux is shared between rest 3 faces. So flux through each faces should be Q by 8 epsilon 0 should be divided by what? 3. So it will coming AQ by 24 epsilon 0. Sometime you may confused about confused, and you can make Q by epsilon 0 divided by 6. So remember it 3 faces which is attached to Q charge should not be considered because at these faces E is parallel to the faces of the cube. So as electric field vector parallel to the faces of the cube, so what happened? No flux entering to these faces, and rest 3 faces flux entering, so it should be divided by 3. So final answer is coming Q by 24 epsilon 0. Thank you.